are going to talk about junk food. Should it be banned in school? Let us listen and debate between our classmates. Junk food should be banned in school. No, it should not. Junk food is unhealthy. People are free to eat what they love. It may cause health problems in heart and bones. It isn't that bad. Healthy food can be just as bad sometimes. The ingredients used in junk food are of bad quality. But some people think it's so delicious. Unhealthy food may be bad for brain function. The junk food is cheap and affordable. It may make children lazy or hyperactive. I believe that eating junk food from time to time can make you feel happy. It does not got vitamins and minerals for our body. If junk food are banned in school, kids will still eat anyway. Habits are often formed during childhood. People should make their own decision and choice. Thank you, my dear friends. In my opinion, as junk food must be banned in school. Thinking of our children, their health, their brain, their study, and their future. How many agree with us?
Yes, as we are agree with you.